To see how your child is progressing at school, select Grades from the menu bar on the left side of the screen. Notice the grading categories on each area of learning. Grading categories organize the content of the gradebook. Names of assignments, discussions, and assessments will be listed under the grading categories. The grade will most likely be listed as Mastery, Competent, or Development. You may see a numeric grade or a waffle. The waffle is a rubric. This means there is more than one grade. Select the waffle to open up the rubric. Comments left in the gradebook will be visible for you to see. A paper icon will be visible if your child has uploaded work. On the app, go to the orange Learner folder to view the work. Select the name of the assignment if using a computer. Gradebook is updated regularly.